Hi guys, welcome back to Creating with Mimi. Today's video is all about fall harvest and decorating if you guys are going to have company for your harvest dinner. Let's get started. Today's video is in partnership with my sissy Lachelle, who's helped out with some of the decorations because I wanted to do this, guys, with the things that I currently had. I didn't really want to go out and buy too many items, but I did make a purchase for one large centerpiece, which I can't wait to show you guys. I'm going to start this off with actually putting down the runner, and you guys have seen this runner before. It's made out of a jute fabric and it has circles. I love the texture. And then I'm just going to put down some placemat. This is our guest of honor this year, and his name is Eddie. He will be the centerpiece for the entire table, and yes, he's large, he's over the top, but so am I. I absolutely love these harvest Halloween plates, and I'm using two different shapes. I'm using a square and a circle, but the overall color is still the same. It has the greens, it has the muted orange, and they are absolutely fabulous, and it works really well with the gold charger, and the placemats have the yellow and the leaves that are in there, so it just reminds me of harvest fall. Next, I'm going to end the table and round it off with these gorgeous lanterns that I picked up from At Home. I love them because they are candle lit, and the candle are the LEDs with the battery operated, and it's just a gorgeous feature. Then I'm going to actually place some magnolia on the table just to give a little bit more of color to the area, and it really, for me, it's an outdoor harvest feast. I'm adding a little unexpected by having the topiary ball, just placing it there, and it just gives it more of an outdoor effect. And now I'm going to set up the table with glassware, adding a little bit more of decor in terms of more pumpkins and a little bit more color in the space, and just bringing everything together. Guys, take a look at this final result. I really like the way it all turned out, and the only things that I actually purchased were the candle lanterns on the end of the table, and our guest of honor, Eddie, was a new purchase. And it really didn't cost a whole lot to create this absolutely gorgeous outdoor dining area. If you like this video, guys, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and that way you'll get notified each time a new upload comes up. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for all of those that are following, and make every day a great day.